A company spends millions on new technology and it fails. Not because the technology was bad, but because nobody at the top ever asked the right questions. Does this serve the business? Who's accountable? How will we know if it works? That missing layer has a name, IT governance, and one of the world's leading framework for IT is COBIT. In this video, how the people at the top steer technology, and the one distinction the exam builds this entire topic around. Welcome back. We've covered specific controls and the NIST framework for cyber risk. Now we zoom all the way out to how leadership steers technology across the whole enterprise. That's IT governance, and its framework is COBIT. I'm Professor Lamptey. Here's the plan. What COBIT is, the crucial difference between governance and management, the 5 domains that organize it, and why the exam loves this topic, all followed through one decision: our company launching a new mobile app. Let's define it. Write this down. COBIT, Control Objectives for Information and Related Technologies, is a framework published by ISACA for the governance and management of enterprise IT. The current version is COBIT 2019. Here's what makes it click. COBIT tells you what you should achieve with technology, the objectives, not the step-by-step how. It's the umbrella that connects your IT to the goals of the business. NIST manages cyber risk. COBIT governs all of IT and makes sure technology actually serves the enterprise. Now, the single most important idea in this whole topic, and the exam's favorite: governance and management are not the same thing. Governance is the board's job. Evaluate the options, set the direction, and monitor the results. Management is the executive's job. Plan, build, run, and monitor the day-to-day work that delivers on that direction. For our mobile app, governance is the board deciding, should we invest in this? Does it fit our strategy? And are we getting value? Management is the team actually planning, building, and running it. Governance sets direction and monitors. Management executes. Different people, different questions. Know that cold. COBIT organizes everything into 5 domains and 40 objectives. One domain is governance. EDM, evaluate, direct, and monitor. That's the board. The other 4 are management. APO, align, plan, and organize. BAI, build, acquire, and implement. DSS, deliver, service, and support. And MEA, monitor, evaluate, and assess. Notice the shape. 1 governance domain sitting over 4 management domains. The board evaluates, directs, and monitors, and management plans, builds, runs, and checks. Let's walk each one through our app. Start at the top. EDN, evaluate, direct, and monitor. This is governance, and it belongs to the board and top leadership. Evaluate, weigh the options and the value. Is this app worth the investment? Direct, set the strategy and priorities and assign accountability. Monitor, track whether IT is actually delivering the value and staying within the risk the board accepts. For our app, EDM is the board saying, yes, this fits our strategy. Here's the budget and who owns it. Now show us it's working. Set direction, then watch the results. Now management takes over. First 2 domains, plan it, then build it. APO, align, plan, and organize. Strategy, budgets, risk, and vendors. Management aligns the app with the business plan and organizes the resources. Then BAI, build, acquire, and implement. Actually developing or buying the app, testing it, and rolling it out. APO is the blueprint and the plan. BAI is the construction. For our app, decide how it fits and how we'll resource it, then build or buy it and put it into production. The last 2 management domains, run it, then check it. DSS, deliver, service, and support. The day-to-day operations, running the app, handling incidents, supporting users, keeping it secure and available. Then MEA, monitor, evaluate, and assess, measuring performance, checking compliance, and confirming the controls actually work. DSS keeps our app running for customers every day. MEA steps back and asks, is it performing? Is it compliant? Are the controls holding? And MEA's findings feed right back up to the board's monitoring. Step back and watch it become a loop. The board governs, evaluates, directs, monitors. Management plans with APO, builds with BAI, runs with DSS, and checks with MEA. And those results flow back up to the board, which adjusts the direction, around and around. And here's the whole point of governance: alignment. Every one of those objectives exists to make sure technology serves the goals of the business, not the other way around. COBIT is how leadership makes sure the millions spent on IT actually move the enterprise forward. For the exam, lock in 4 things. 1. COBIT is ISACA's framework for the governance and management of enterprise IT. Current version, COBIT 2019. 2, and most important, governance versus management. The board evaluates, directs, and monitors. Management plans, builds, runs, and checks. 3. The 5 domains: EDM for governance and APO, BAI, DSS, MEA for management. 4. The purpose is aligning IT with business objectives. And know how it differs from NIST. NIST is focused on cybersecurity risk. COBIT is the broad governance umbrella over all of IT. Get those and you can answer almost anything the exam asks on IT governance. 60-second recap. COBIT is ISACA's framework for governing and managing enterprise IT. Its biggest idea? Governance is the board's job. Evaluate, direct, monitor, while management plans, builds, runs, and checks. 5 domains organize it: EDM for governance and APO, BAI, DSS, and MEA for management, all aimed at aligning IT with the business. If that made IT governance click, subscribe. Next, we go inside one of those management domains, how new systems are actually built and changed, the system development lifecycle. I'll see you there.